Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. For this edition, we have a very personal question. Anonymous na lang po natin, okay? Lagyan na lang natin si Miss Cherry, okay? Ang pangalan niya. Ang problema, my mom wants me to be a co-maker for a salary, sa salary ilo-loan niya personally, pero ayaw ko. Kasi yun nga, medyo may reputation daw yung mother niya na pag nangungutang ay ika nga ay hindi nami-mismanage ika nga yung pera. Yun yung problema. At saka 2 to 5% daw ang interest per month. Ito yung question niya. If I say no to my mother, is it unrespectful or will I just stand with my no? Or sasabihin ko na lang ba yes? Actually, right now, Miss Cherry, mukhang confused ka talaga, no? Kung ano talagang gagawin mo. Mahirap talaga tanggihan, lalo na kung ito ay kasama mo sa bahay at syempre mahal mo sa buhay. Now, let me explain to you the difference between honor and obedience, okay? When you say honor, talagang kapitag-pitagan na talagang nire-respeto mo talaga yung iyong mga magulang. Kailangan, you and I should honor our parents no matter what happens. Ito lang, minsan nagkakamali yung mga magulang natin. May nasasabi silang masasakit at may nagagawa silang masasakit din sa atin. Bakit? One thing I learned in life, the people who are closest to us are the people who can hurt us most. So, kahit nasaktan tayo, kahit medyo mali po ang nagawa sa atin, we got to honor them. Kasi magulang pa rin. Ang magulang ay magulang. No? But, ito yung sa obedience part. It doesn't mean to say that you honor, you have to obey everything. What do I mean? Kunyari, sabihin ng magulang mo, uy anak, gusto ko magnakaw ka para sa akin sa opisina. Kailangan ko kasi ng ng pera. Okay? So, kailangan yung petty cash na ini-entrust sa'yo, gamitin muna natin. Alam mo, kahit na sabihin natin, ino-honor mo siya, pero pagdating doon, kung alam mo, mali na paggagawa sa'yo, I don't think you have to obey. Tama? So, likewise, if you feel naman, it's not right for your mom to get into debt because nami-mismanage niya yung pera. At pangalawa, itong problema. Ito yung really problema. Ang co-maker ay ganito. Pag ikaw ay nangutang at hindi nabayaran ng original na nangutang, ibig sabihin ikaw po ang may utang. So you are responsible. The question is, are you willing to take that responsibility na ikaw na magbabayad ng utang? And chances are, with the past history of your mom, chances are, yan po ang mangyayari. So mga kapatid na nakikinig ngayon, remember, no, there are two things. Again, obedience and at the same time, honor. Yes, you must honor your parents, but not necessarily you have to obey them at all times. Lalo na kung mali. Pero kung tama naman ang paggagawa sa'yo, ayaw mo lang. Di ba? May ka nga, discomfort lang para sa'yo, pero talagang medyo wala ka lang sa mood. Well, you got to honor. At the same time, you got to what? Obey. I hope I was able to help you, Miss Cherry, with your complicated situation because it's a personal situation. So, for further questions and concerns, please do visit my website at chinkitan.com. Please send me a message there, no? And then send nyo lang yung mga questions na doon para sagutin ko. I always say to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always, Chink Positive.